Hi there, how are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Good, good. I'm glad we could get this together.
Oh, I don't hear you well. It's like some noise
Oh,
on
is
the
it?
bit.
Is it still bad?
Let me make you louder.
All right, is this a little bit better?
No, did you use headphones?
Yeah, I've got headphones on. Here, hold
Oh,
on. Let me disconnect them. I'll get back on. 1 second.
mm-hmm. Okay.
All right, is this any better?
No, so strange.
Okay.
Okay,
Um,
we can try. We can try. I don't know what's going on. It's like you underwater. So
great.
we'll see.
Okay. Um, yeah, all right, we'll do our best. So, okay, basically what I'm trying to do is to create a system that I was explaining in our messaging where we have videos that I'm creating using AI in VO3, and I really like the quality of those videos. Can you hear me well enough to understand, or do we need to try something else?
I hear you, but it's very, very low. Can you try without headphone? Is it possible?
Yeah, let me try. How's this? Any better?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. So essentially, what I'm trying to do is I have these VO3 AI videos that I'm putting together, and what I want to do is put my product into those videos. And
Mm-hmm.
the problem with that is that my product, the AI doesn't know what my product is, and so when it does VO3, right? So what I have found is that the best videos right now are coming from text to video in VO3. But if I do, for example, image to video, the quality is much lower.
Mm-hmm.
And so text to video seems to be the best. And so, but that creates a problem, right? Because it doesn't know what my product looks like. So what I'm doing is I'm doing text to video where I have the people in the video interacting with Coke cans, like Coca-Cola cans.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have a RoboFlow that's an object recognizer that recognizes Coke cans and automatically creates a mask for them. And then I have what I want to do is in paint into the mask using Comfy UI in batches for just the images. In paint using a LoRa and a locker that I have that are trained on what my packaging looks like. Uh, and then at the end, we would combine all of the frames and interpolate between them so that we would have a working video where instead of the Coke cans, the only thing that's different in the video is that it has my product. Does that all make sense?
Yes, okay.
but I'm having a lot of trouble actually making that work. So
Mhm.
the first problem I think is that I'm running on a Mac, and uh, Flux doesn't seem to like the Mac that I'm running on, because it keeps on giving me a B float error. It says basically B float 16 doesn't work on a Mac, and so I have to switch it to float 16. And
And you have only Mac.
so
You
I
don't
have
have.
only a Mac, but as of tomorrow, I will have remote desktop access to a powerful computer that's not a Mac. That's, you know,
Like virtual machine, you mean?
it looks like
Hello?
connected
Yeah.
now. Um, So starting tomorrow, I will be able to connect through a remote desktop
Mm.
to a non-Mac computer.
Mm-hmm.
But so yeah, I guess is the way that I am. How would you structure what I am trying to do? In other words, do you think it will work to have basically we strip the sharpest frames from a video that we have, and then we batch upload using the video helper suite in uh, video helper suite in Comfy UI. And so we batch upload both the images and the masked images, and then we have we do the in painting and then refine it with a LoRa and a locker. Is that how you would do it, or how would you do what I'm trying to accomplish here?
So, what I was thinking, reading all these days, that I definitely can make this working, but I never did myself it's before. But I will try, and it will be a whole new project. I mean, I have to make everything again, like what you did, but like change everything, be sure that nothing missing and everything correct. So I mean, if you want, you can share that what you done, and then I will try to do like build whole project like from the beginning. So if it's like good for you, at least it will be working, I think, because it will be easiest for me not find out what's the issue. Yes, try to do everything from the beginning, like I'm started from the beginning. How
Okay.
about this? You.
So, so my concern there, so all the things that work so far, my system that identifies the Coke cans and creates the masks of them, and that extracts images from the videos that are the sharpest images, that all works. So
Mhm.
basically, imagine that all we're doing that we don't know what works is just Comfy UI takes the batches of images and then applies the LoRa and the locker to them. Uh,
Mhm.
and then once the in painting is done, then reconnects all of the frames into a working video. So that's the part that would need to be built from scratch.
Mhm.
Um,
Uh,
do you have a
but you didn't send me Laura. Can you send me Laura?
yes?
Yes, because I cannot
So
go
how do
without
I
this.
actually send it to you? Just through Upwork? I can send you the file.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, previous customer clients was sending via the Upwork as well.
Okay. And you want
Yes, I saw you had like was says about 5 issues. So what else you missing except
uh,
this and Mark? Yes, I understand. And then you was saying about um, yeah. I just reread what you sent me, the message, the issues, what you have.
yeah. So right now
Mm-hmm.
the float and B float isn't working.
Mm-hmm.
And so I don't know whether the LoRa will work or not because I can't even get it to properly just in paint even without the LoRa.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make
Oh,
sense?
okay. Yes,
Well, I
you
just don't
enable.
know.
Okay. But anyway, send me. um,
Sure.
send me. Yes, will I will train. Zalora. Okay, and also, and yes, and quality. Yes, you wasn't higher
So I just
quality as
I
well.
haven't yeah, I haven't been able to get an image to even come through. And that may just because I'm on a Mac. So I haven't been able to get the LoRa to work. And part of the problem I think is like the LoRa's are trained on flux. And so I want to use flux for the in painting.
Uh huh.
But I
Um.
guess look, I'm not this is not my area of expertise, right? So what do you think would be the best way to do what I'm trying to do here?
Um. I need just sit and dive in like with everything what you have. Then I can tell you. And also I use usually run pod for development.
You use what, sorry?
Run pod. Do you use run pod? Run
Uh,
pod.
no, I haven't used it yet. Uh,
So yes, I need this part to set up as well.
okay.
And so I can send you message everything what we missing. Yes, what you should send me as well.
Okay.
And let's start to work then. When you
And
need to done
yeah,
this,
so can you give me an estimate of how long this would take?
send me everything now, and I let you know like today how long it's gonna take because it's not will be easiest. It's kind of like really work supposed to put on it. I have to open, look at, see it, fix it, edit, so everything
Okay.
to do. It's not easiest, like it's not like very easy to make it.
Okay.
And did you miss something, or you tell me everything what you have to see what's working?
No, that's basically it, is just figuring out how to load and in paint these images, in paint the mask areas with my product, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and have Laura do the make sure it looks good, and then Locker make sure that because Locker I trained on the very clear images of just the packaging, so
Mm-hmm.
it'll hopefully it'll get the words and the everything right on the packaging. But
Okay.
Laura is I have it trained more for the context, so having it show the pouch and all that kind of stuff. Um, so here, I can send it to you now. This is the LoRa and the Locker safe tensor files.
Okay, let me see. Mm-hmm. Laura and Locker. Okay.